Spanning the globe to bring you the constant variety of stuff, the thrill of victory, and the agony of defeat. The human drama of messing around with stuff. This is Casa de McBride Chronicles.
Well, everybody, welcome back to the show. We're going to see what Andy has to say in just a minute.
You would so be lying to yourself if you said, I never have bad days. We all do. Heck, even porn actors have bad days. Let that last statement sink in. Anyways, this happens to me a few times a year. I tend to get overwhelmed. So I try to create or fix something simple to chalk up as a simple win. Basically something that will make me say, that a boy. I live a very stress-free life here at Casa de McBride. I don't have a crazy ex-wife still pissed I got the couch from the family room in the divorce. And I am no baby's daddy. Today, I will just use the rest of the garage floor paint on the stairs and in front of my workshop.
Oh yeah, let's do this.
Dudezillas! This is why Honda engines rule! 2 freaking pools, and it's running! Don't laugh! Adding sand to wet paint works. It might look ugly, but like that fat and ugly chick you knew in high school, it gets the job done.
We interrupt this program to bring you a very random thought from Andy.
Okie dokie, kids! Now let's clean the area in front of my workshop, where, not to brag, dreams happen! And I am not going to bore you, magnificent bastards, any more than I have to. Just know I clean the floor as I did before. Wash, degrease, scrub, and dry. Just so you know, it ain't rocket science. Before and after. It may not be perfect, refer to the 2:27 mark of this video, but I am happy with it. And while I am putting stuff back in its place, I need to fire up this generator I got years ago at Aldi. No, we were not just attacked by China or Iran with a cyber attack on our electrical grid. I just need to start it up for when they do attack. Good news, everyone! We have oil! And the air filter looks good too! I think we are good to go. I will just add some gas. Man, this is quite a workout. I think this needs a little whiff of Cosby gas.
Great success.
High five.
And to show you magnificent bastards that it works, I will plug in a really old buffer, and you can witness the magic happen.
Woohoo! Making dreams come true!
One more thing before I go and start editing this video. I found a few parts to make a sweet-ass jumper cable like the one Obi-Wan, aka Scoutcrafter, uses for all the electronics that he restores. So you know, it is basically a power cord for items without one, or it is as beat as a Vietnamese hoe after doing a whole platoon of soldiers in 1970 and needs to be thrown out. But first things first, I need to get outside and enjoy this 80-degree day.
God bless America!
This soldering iron sucks. It never gets hot enough. That's it. I need to get a new one. Be right back. Oh, screw it! I will just go old school on it and use a torch and solder the wires that way. I guess now I will be on the lookout for one at Jacktown 2026. Sure, doing these things got me out of my funk, but I am not a politician who will lie to your face. I built the jumper cables without testing them. I assume they will be fine. And the paint on the floor into my workshop is not sticking as I hoped. But it will all be okie dokie and life will go on. FYI, after almost 53 years, I have learned that it always does.
Will Andy ever stop getting random tools that have less than 1% of ever being used? Will he ever not drink a cup of coffee while he's working on something? Will he ever answer the question, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Will he take an afternoon nap? Tune in for another thrilling episode of the Casa de McBride Chronicles to find out more.
Hey kids, thanks for watching and for all that's right with the world. Click thumbs up or thumbs down if you are a bitter person because you still live in your parents' basement. Laugh in.
Ladies and gentlemen, Andy has left the building. Good night.
He will always be the king no matter what.